Arigitani kana arigitani kiumbe kuma kaunti ya Embu na aria maikoragwo rungu kana rwa gikundi gya kiama kana kiama kia MBEERE Embu Private Health Practitioners ne makioritie thirikari gukorwo iking'ethanira na arigitani a Maigiriria na aria maikoretwo magikungeria wara muingi mwena uyu na gukorwo makimatunya na makeria kigina kia NHIF gukiri uguo magikitie ritana kuri muingi gukorwo ugithema na gukorwo ukiri maitho itemini ya gukorwo makiaga kuwa moko-ini ma arigitani aya aregenyuki.
In relation to the reported malpractice by some healthcare providers who are defrauding NHIF and decoding patient by carrying out wrong and unnecessary procedures. We as healthcare providers in this region wish to exonerate ourselves from this misdeed and condemn it in the strongest terms possible. These are criminal and evil acts, and the role should take its own course. If they have proof, and I'm invested in this, and I know the medicine, the surprise, the consumer post come on government, why should I buy? It is wrong. Because in fact that should have happened yesterday. Because it's wrong. It's a criminal. Somebody should not even be given a chance. We do honest business. However, we warn our members against being tempted to engage in church malpractice, and if it happens, we shall not hesitate to expose them. I appeal to the county government through its Department of Health to be extra vigilant and preempt church happenings by ensuring that all outreaches in the county and beyond by healthcare facilities are censored. We reiterate our support to the government to ensure universal healthcare is successful by complementing public facilities.
Agency ya serikali inafaa kujua hii maneno wakati imeanza kupangwa na hata kuzuia kabla ifanyike, au watu wenye wanafanya hii mambo ya hiyo ukora waweze kujua mapema ndio wachukuliwe ile hatua inafaa.